Kasi sa amin dati naalala ko nung when we were in Monster Wings before, ang ad spent namin per day is around 20,000 pesos.
Wow.
Technically, we're spending around 600
A month.
a month solely on Facebook advertisement lang.
Okay.
Pero yun din yung kalakasan namin, ang bumabalik sa amin is around 6 to 8 million per month na worth of franchisee. Siguro mga around 10 franchises halos yung dumarating sa amin nun. What's good about ROAS kasi, especially if you have a brand, hindi lang yung bastang normal na e-com ha. During that time, kung makikita mo, ang laki ng ad spend namin. Pero bakit? Siguro more or less times 10, times 20 yung ROAS namin. But during that time kasi, is after you franchise, is you continuously order products pa rin sa amin. So technically, hindi lang yung one time na payment yung nirowas namin sa'yo. Kundi binibilang din natin yung lifetime customer value kung tawagin. Normally, ganun yung tinitingnan dun sa mga coffee shop or some other businesses is tinitingnan lang nila is magkano ba yung ginastos mo sa ads and then magkano yung kinita mo. Some business owners doesn't know that even though mag-break even ka man or kahit malugi ka pa, kung mataas yung lifetime customer value mo, is panalo pa din.
Yes.